Hello everyone, we are here on IGF 2024 and we got the great opportunity to take a short interview with Йован Курбалия, founder and CIO DiploFoundation and Geneva Internet Platform. Hello.
Hello.
It is so nice that you agreed on this interview. And first of all, I wanted to ask you about some strategies or some other initiatives in the educational sphere that you create on your Geneva platforms, DiploFoundation, and other projects. Can you share some goals for the nearest future that you want to achieve?
Yeah, definitely the changes in education sphere will be huge and profound, and some of the core tenets of teaching and education of the last few decades will be shaken. A good news, in my view, is that AI will bring us to the core of learning, which is inspirational understanding, which is engagement and creativity. Therefore, we at Diplo are intensively working on adjusting our pedagogy and our learning approach to the possibilities that artificial intelligence offers. And so far news are very good. We have, for example, AI apprenticeship program where people learn about AI by developing AI, by developing chatbots. They learn about neural networks, they learn about AI in general. Therefore, we are on the eve of the very profound changes that will happen over the next few decades. Your children, my daughter is already old, but your children will go through, I'm convinced, completely different schooling system. Where many things will be changed. One of the reasons why changes are huge is that the text, which is basis of traditional learning system, is substantively altered and changed with use of AI. You already see that essays are losing relevance because they can be generated with ChatGPT. There will be huge changes, but for good, because we'll get back to the core of learning, developing our intellect, emotions, and values.
Wow, so great. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on this topic. And also, we wanted to ask you about actually previous theme of IGF, the internet we want. Well, please share with our subscribers what kind of internet you want to see in the nearest future or maybe in 10 years.
Well, internet I want personally is internet that increase human creativity, inclusion, fairness, reduce the chances for conflicts, and make society a better place to work, where with basically protecting three things which are critical for all of us. It is our life, that we survive, it's our dignity, and it is realization of our potentials, creative potentials, working potentials, whatever potentials we have to realize through our work, through arts, through literature. Therefore, that's what guides me in my work. 3 points: human life, human dignity, and human potentials. Is internet delivering on that? I would say the glass is half full. You have many examples where people were enabled. Obviously, you have many negative examples of misuse, cybercrime, cyber attacks, and the other things. But I would still see it as a half full in answer to the question, what is the internet that I want and that we as a humanity may aim for?
Well, thank you so much. And last question. You already highlighted AI trend in general in education, but maybe some other spheres, some other trends. We are talking about AI in general for the nearest future, and maybe some other trends that you wanted to highlight and you see here on this event, or maybe others.
Well, the many trends are centered around AI, but we shouldn't forget one simple thing, that while we are following AI, we still speak about internet governance. Because when you access ChatGPT or, I don't know, in Russia, Yandex or whatever is the platform, you use internet, you use TCP/IP. Therefore, yes, we should aim for the future, for new trends, but we should be always aware what is the basis of it. And it is still internet packets, and TCP/IP as a key protocol.
Yeah, well, that's so great. Thank you very much for this interview and this opportunity to meet you in person.
It was my pleasure. Thank you.